Walgreens. What it tastes like. Now, I got this. This is for home though. But if you come to Buc-ee's, try out their cold sandwiches. Are really delicious. And the mayo packets is gonna be over there on by like the bakery. They have like a bakery of like cinnamon rolls, all kinds of muffins and stuff like that. Go over there. There should be a place where they have mayo and stuff by the beef jerky and the jerky and stuff. But look at the sandwich, y'all. Like, look at all that meat. Like, they good too. All you need is some mayo. We got chips. We got some chips from Walgreens. And also try out their hot sandwiches. This is barbecue turkey sandwich. And this how they come. They're going to be under a warmer. But they make them fresh right there in front of you guys. Mm-hmm. The lady was making some fresh. And it was a lot of people in there. Like, it was so many people in there. Let me take my glasses off. But it was so many people in there, y'all. But I told y'all I was going to start doing reviews. So you guys will know where to go and eat when you're out of town. Or if you're going out of town traveling for the holidays. So this is turkey. That's what it looked like. Y'all got to excuse my setup. I still have to order my TikTok tripod that goes right here and sticks to the window. I haven't got it yet, so y'all got to deal with this. But so let's take our first bite. I'll tell y'all what I think. Alright. It's not bad. I like the cold sandwich better. It does have a little bit of spice to it.
Mm-hmm. Some peppercorn in it, probably.
Mm-hmm. And a barbecue. But it's not bad. This just wouldn't be my everything to order. Something I would order every time I come here. It wouldn't be. I like the cold sandwich. The sub sandwiches are really good. And this is turkey that had brisket, that had pork. They make these fresh. Right, you see them right in front of you. The lady was making a whole bunch of them. They have all kinds of drinks. Y'all check out my shorts because I put a lot of my travel vlogs in my shorts. And I'm also going to post my regular video when we travel for the holidays for Christmas.
And if you have an RV or anything, you cannot come to Buc-ee's. Sorry. RV or big trailer, no Buc-ee's. Because they only want passenger vehicles with no travel trailers.
Mm-hmm.
You can bring a flatbed trailer, but no travel trailer.
Yeah, they don't, I don't know why. I think everybody should be welcome. But it is what it is. People have their own rules. Maybe they had a bad experience with it and they never did again.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I know y'all looking like, that's turkey. Yeah, it is turkey, y'all. It's turkey. I don't know what part of turkey now. But it is turkey. It's food. Oh, some spice to it. It got some spiciness to it. So if you're not a person like spicy, don't get the. You'll be better off getting the cold sandwiches. And they have all kind of pudding. They got banana pudding, key lime pie pudding. If you're on like a protein diet, they have hard-boiled eggs there. All kinds. They got loads of drinks. All kinds of drinks in the back. You can even shop there. It's actually a shopping market too. It's not only a rest stop, but it's also a shopping market. Because they have meats. You know, meat you can buy, like salami meats and stuff like that. I seen the lady with a shopping cart shopping. So not only is it a rest stop, it's also a place to shop for like small little groceries. They got all kinds of candy.
You make their own fudge there?
So, this is all my husband have left. Did you like it?
Well, good. The bread was soft. The meat was fresh. The cheese was fresh. And like she said, we brought our own mayo, so.
So, the sandwiches are really the best here, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. The sandwiches are the best. The cold sandwiches. The hot sandwiches, they okay. But them cold sandwiches are good. Hands down. Okay.
They're about 8 inches. 6 to 8 inches.
The bathrooms are clean. Exceptional. And I've seen 2 Spanish ladies in there. But a lot of times when you come to the rest stop, the bathrooms don't be clean. These bathrooms are clean.
And you actually go in a stall and lock it. And when you lock it, it will say, you know, it will have a red light above it saying it's somebody's occupied.
No, it just said vacant. Green. The red is in use.
That's what I'm saying. If you go in it, it'll say in use. It'll be red.
Yeah, actually lets you know somebody in there. And you having to go in there and guess.
Right.
And look underneath it now.
It's not like the regular stalls where you can actually see next to you. No, you can't see next to you at all. It's actually a little closet by itself. The door is, of course, you know, a bathroom stall, regular bathroom stall door, but it actually has a real lock on it.
Then I seen a toilets down here that had the plastic over top. And for each person, it'll trade to a new one. But I would wipe that off anyway. I don't trust that. I would still wipe it off.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, guys. So we're about to get on back on the road, guys. Make sure when you come into T-Tension TV, where drama unfolds, like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. We coming into a new year. New Year's is almost here, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I definitely do plan on vlogging. I don't know what. Did you figure out what we're gonna do?
No.
I don't know, but I do plan on vlogging. Whatever we do, I'm gonna vlog. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. Also, check all my shorts out. Check my playlist out, guys. Binge watch all of that, cause y'all missing a lot of good stuff. But a lot of my good stuff is over in my playlist. Okay. And we also gonna talk about that situation with the fake UPS drivers that's trending right now. I want to talk about some specifics in that situation because it was terrible, and you know what I'm saying, that crap should never happen. But we're gonna talk about that a little bit later. But I'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe again, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.